Hello kids, today we will learn use of a and an. Van, a van. Bag, a bag. Arm, an arm. Girl, a girl. Onion, an onion. Boy, a boy. Ear, an ear. Ball, a ball. Kite, a kite. Uncle, an uncle. Pen, a pen. Eagle, an eagle. Actor, an actor. Book, a book. King, a king. Egg, an egg. Chair, a chair. Cat, a cat. Owl, an owl. Ducks, a ducks. Alien, an alien. Rose, a rose. Nose, a nose. Bat, a bat. Eye, an eye. Ant, an ant. Fan, a fan. Earth, an earth. Queen, a queen. Dog, a dog. Truck, a truck. Idea, an idea.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.